Hello everyone. Welcome to my Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. And today is day number 16. So 2 weeks has passed and now I'm gonna tell you about my journey to networking impact investors because they are the right people who will help me with my vision and my objectives. Okay? So when I decided to embark on this journey of creating social enterprise, focus on different kinds of projects like reforestation, sustainable agriculture, and community empowerment, I knew for a fact that the road ahead would be challenging. However, I also believe that the vision I held in my heart could inspire others who share the same commitment to making the world a better place. So today, I'm sharing you a significant milestone in this journey of connecting now with impact investors. So the first thing that I'm doing right now is researching potential investors from across different kinds of social media platforms. So it could be not just YouTube or LinkedIn or Facebook, but also sending them emails, going to events and conventions, and networking. So a lot of and lots of networking here. That's what I'm doing right now. So this is this is not just Google search. I'm going to deep dive into the world of impact investing. So I'm gonna join online forums and understand the landscape much better. Okay. Now there are other impact investing networks such as Impact Assets, Tonic, and Global Impact Investing Network, or more commonly known as GIN. So I believe these resources will become invaluable as I start to identify um, my potential partners. Okay? So I know I'm nobody in this vast world, but all I need to do is just be out there and identify myself to potential investors. So all I need to do is just reach out, because not everyone will connect. But I just keep on doing this as a habit, keep on firing away. I'm sure I'm gonna get some attention to these impact investors. So what I'm trying to say is cold emailing won't able to cut it. I need to find warm introductions, people who could vouch for my credibility and the potential of my project or projects. So I will lean on my existing networks. I'll reach out to my mentors, my friends, and colleagues who could help me make those crucial connections. All right. So when I target impact investors, it's not just here in my country in the Philippines, but it's also Southeast Asia or Asia and the Pacific, Middle East, Europe, North America, South America. So it's on a global scale. And I'm willing to meet them on Zoom first. And then we're gonna talk about our vision and how are we gonna intend this to bring it into life. Okay? So I'll be of course doing different kinds of pitch for these kinds of people, and I'm gonna quickly turn this into an engaging conversation about our shared values and hopes for the future. So the key here is networking and building relationship. What I mean is genuine relationship. So I'm gonna tell you more about my journey here, and I do hope I can find some people here on YouTube as well. And if you are one of them, please do comment down below and share this video to your friends who are also impact investors, so that we can start something good. Probably start here first in Southeast Asia, and then we'll just keep on adding and adding and adding as we move forward. All right, it's time to act now, and what is we connecting and networking with people like you will be the first step. Okay, so I'm looking forward to meeting you guys, and talk to you soon.